In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your GMC Savana key fob. Now, you saw in the thumbnail probably two versions of this device. There's the one you see here, and then there is a 3-button version that does not have this center trunk button, so it just looks like that. It doesn't matter which one of them you have. This is the one I have, but regardless of which one you have, you can follow along with this video. The process is going to be exactly the same. They're just different layouts of the same exact device. So the only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver, just an average sized screwdriver, whatever you have lying around the house will do. And you'll also need one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few bucks. First step here is to look down next to where the keyring attaches, right on the bottom here. You can see there is a slot right along the seam. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, kind of wiggle it in there, and once it is stuck in there, you're just going to gently twist. Just give a turn until you feel the device start to open up, and from there, you just want to pull it open with your fingers. Now you can set the back down for now, and the easiest way to get this battery out is actually to lift out this little circuit board. So lift up on the battery. There we go. Pull this out. If the rubber comes out with it a little bit, you can just push that back in. Don't need to worry about that. And from here, we can just slide the battery right out from under this piece of metal. And once you have that out, you can dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032. And when you're putting it in, the positive side that has the plus sign on it and this text, the battery information, needs to be facing up. So you will slide this in, push it all the way down, and you want to see that plus sign facing up. Now grab the front of your device that has this rubber inside and just drop the circuit board right in there with the battery facing up. You can kind of push down on the battery to make sure it is sitting nice and flat in there before finally putting the back right on top and squeezing it all back together. There we go, just like that. You've changed your battery. You've got a new one in there that should last you for a really long time. So good job, good work, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like, because we'd love to hear your feedback. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this YouTube channel. We have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. You can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.